Are you tired of traditional business hassles? What if you could start a business with zero inventory? Imagine no shipping headaches and complete creative freedom. Print on Demand, or POD, is one of the most beginner-friendly online businesses in 2025. In this video, we'll cover what POD is, how it works, the best platforms to use, how to set up your business, effective marketing strategies, common mistakes to avoid, and tips for scaling. Let's dive into what print on demand really means. POD allows you to create a design, and a partner will print and ship it for you. You earn the profits without handling inventory or shipping. This concept contrasts with traditional e-commerce, where you manage stock and logistics. POD items often include t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, posters, journals, and more. Now, why is POD relevant in 2025? There's a rising demand for custom products. Plus, AI tools expedite design creation. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Etsy empower niche selling. This business model is low risk yet offers high potential. Many successful entrepreneurs have made this their primary income source. Curious about how POD works? First, choose a niche. Consider pets, gaming, fitness, or motivation. Next, create designs using Canva, Photoshop, or AI tools. After that, upload these designs to POD platforms. Set your pricing, and when a customer orders, your POD partner will handle printing and shipping. You earn passive income with minimal effort. Some recommended platforms include Printful, Printify, Redbubble, Teespring, and Amazon Merch. Ready to set up your POD business? Start by picking your niche and target audience. Create an account on either Printify or Printful. Then, connect with Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon to sell your products. Upload your first mockups and remember to price your items strategically, considering base costs and profit margins. Marketing is key to your success. For free and organic marketing, utilize TikTok and Reels featuring lifestyle demos. Create Pinterest boards to showcase your designs. Optimize your Etsy listings with relevant keywords. For paid marketing, consider ads on Instagram and Facebook or collaborate with influencers. Branding tips include telling your story and building an email list for repeat buyers. While starting out, be mindful of common mistakes. Don't be too broad, genuinely niche down. Avoid copying designs to protect yourself legally. Resist the mindset, if I build it, they will come. Remember, marketing is vital. Setting your prices too low can cut into your profits, and be persistent. POD success doesn't happen overnight, it takes time. In conclusion, Print on Demand offers no inventory, no shipping stress, creative freedom, and a scalable income potential. But here's the truth. POD isn't just about selling t-shirts. It's about understanding your motivation. Is it freedom, impact, or creativity that drives you? If you're ready to build not just a business but a meaningful brand, I strongly recommend reading Simon Sinek's book, Start With Why. This book will help you discover your deeper purpose. Aligning your why with your print-on-demand journey leads to impactful success. So, start designing today. The link to Start With Why is in the description. Don't forget to drop your why in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.